Good morning students, myself Kiran Yadav. I am your English teacher of class 3rd. This is your textbook name Marigold. So today we will do the next poem of class 3rd English and unit number 7 and chapter number 13. The name of the poem is Puppy and I. So students, do you know what puppy is? Puppy is a dog's baby, and I here stands for a child. So in this poem a child is there who is meeting some person and he meets with the puppy. So let's see what happened when child meets some of the person and animals. Enjoy the rhyme of this poem. I met a man as I went walking. We got talking, man and I. Where are you going to, man? I said. I said to the man as he went by. Down to the village to get some bread. Will you come with me? No, not I. So in this first stanza, the child met a man, and as the child was walking, he met with man. Both of them, they are started talking to each other. जो चाइल्ड था वो एक मैन से मिलता है एंड वो दोनों बातें करना स्टार्ट करते थे. दे आर स्टार्टेड टू टॉकिंग ईच अदर. देन वाई आर यू गोइंग टू मैन? देन चाइल्ड आस्क्ड वेयर आर यू गोइंग? Then what did the man answered? He answered that down to the village to get some bread. He answered that I am going to the village to get some bread. यहाँ पे बच्चा है, चाइल्ड है, वो मैन से पूछता है कि आप कहाँ पे जा रहे हो. तो वो मैन आंसर देता है कि मैं नीचे गांव में जा रहा हूँ कुछ ब्रेड्स लेने के लिए. विल यू कम विद मी? Then he asked that would you like to come with me? The man asked to child that would you like to come with me? Then child replied that no, I will not come with you. Okay, so next stanza. I met a horse as I went walking. We got talking, horse and I. Where are you going to, horse, today? I said to the horse as he went by. Down to the village to get some hay. Will you come with me? No, not I. So here when the child is walking, next he meets with horse. He next met with horse. He started talking to horse. अब उसे कौन मिलता है? चलते हुए horse मिल जाता है and horse और वो बातें करने लग जाते हैं. Then the boy asked to horse, where are you going? Then he asked to horse that where are you going? Then what did he reply? He asked him where are you going? The horse answered that I am going to village, down to the village to get some hay. Then he replied that I am going to the village to get some hay. Hay means some यू कैन से जो ड्राइड ग्रास होती है जो कि एनिमल्स को खिलाते हैं हम, दैट्स कॉल्ड हे. देन ही आस्क द होर्स आस्क विल यू कम विद मी? देन ही आस्क दैट वुड यू लाइक टू कम विद मी? देन चाइल्ड सेड दैट आई नो, आई विल नॉट कम विद यू. द नेक्स्ट, I met a puppy as I went walking. We got talking, puppy and I. Where are you going this fine day? I said to the puppy as he went by. Up in the hills to roll and play. I will come with you, puppy, said I. So in this, whom did he met next, children? Now in the last he met with puppy. Puppy is a baby of dog. So when they started talking to each other, the child asked to puppy that where are you going, puppy? Then puppy replied, puppy said that I'm going up on the hills. I'm going up on the hills to roll and play, to playing and enjoying. Then I will come with you, puppy said I. Then child said I. I here stands for child. So child said that I would like to come with you. I will come with you to play. So as you can see, children loves playing and enjoying. The child went with puppy, while he did not go with horse, because they were going for a work. And in first stanza he met with a man, where the man is going to the village to get some bread, and child is denied to go with them. Then he met to a horse, where the horse is going to down to the village to get some hay, and again he denied to go with him. Then in the last he met with puppy, and he ready to go with puppy. Why? Because the puppy was going up on the hills to playing and enjoying. So child loves playing. So that's all in this poem, children, and this poem is written by A.A. Milne. Okay, so I hope you have understood this poem, children. So you have to read this poem at your home. In our next video we will discuss new words and exercise. Okay, thank you, have a good day.